Hey everyone, for this project, we're going to build a summer scene. And just like when we made the aquarium, we're going to put it all in a cardboard box. So go ahead and find a cardboard box and then put it to the side because first we're going to paint the sky. We're going to paint the background. So get yourself a few pieces of black construction paper, enough to cover the inside of your box. And then on the sky, I'm gonna paint some fireworks. Right, so grab a few colors. Actually gonna need a toilet paper roll, a few paper plates to put your paints in. Then we'll need some glue and some scissors for when we put it on the background. All right, got my 3 paints all ready. Now I need to prepare my paintbrush. And I'm actually gonna cut it similar to when we made that octopus, right, in Ocean Week, except I'm just gonna do small little scissor cuts, do you see? And so far I have 4. I'm gonna go and cut in the middle of each one of those. Just like when we made the 8 legs. This time, instead of an octopus, I'm going to use this to make some fireworks. Right, now, bend it all back, just like so. And make sure that you can press it flat, because that's what we're going to do to use it as a paintbrush. Take your toilet paper paintbrush, and you're going to choose your first color. Make sure you get paint everywhere, everywhere, everywhere. And let's see, do I got paint everywhere? Ooh, I got a few little spots that need more. There we go. Now we're going to go to town. Press it just like a stamp. Make sure the paint gets everywhere. And voila, I know it doesn't look so impressive just yet, but trust me, we'll get there. All right, press it down. One more. All right, there we go. Now, we go to the next color. I'm gonna go blue. And you could go right over the green, like that. You could do it by itself, like so. And then, final color, going in for the yellow. Nice bright yellow. All nice and covered. Same thing. Ooh. All right, now I'm going to do this to a couple more pieces of paper to make sure that I have enough to cover the whole inside of my cardboard box. And I'll let it dry and I'll be right back. Okay, my fireworks are almost dry. So now the next step is to glue them to our background, right? So you want to cover all this, and then we're going to do the top and the 2 sides. Now, the scene's at the beach, so this bottom right here, I'm going to leave for the sand. So I'm going to cut, glue, cover, and I'll be right back. Okay, I got most of it covered. You can see my fireworks are up in the sky, and then I've got some sand on the bottom. Okay, now that the sky is done, in the next video, we're going to get our bonfire ready. So let's go to the next video.